So, welcome back to NBA Hub. Today, we're going to be starting a rebuild series where we're going to start rebuilding every single team in the NBA, starting with the Sixers, because the Sixers are the first team that shows up alphabetically. So, let's get started. The Sixers, first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to make Ben Simmons small forward, but I am going to have Ben Simmons play point guard. So, I'm going to trade Tobias Harris, because I forgot to tell this, but for most teams, we rebuild them till they get a title. But since the Sixers are considered contenders, we're going 2 years and see if we can win back-to-back titles. So Tobias Harris, I'm going to be trading for Derrick Rose and Blake Griffin. Derrick Rose is shooting guard. Now we trade Derrick Rose for Clint Capella. Clint Capella is so easy to get in this game. I don't know why. I don't think the Hawks just don't value him, or 2K's broken. I don't know. Clint Capella is really easy to get in this game. So I am going to trade Clint Capella for Porzingis and Maxi Kleber. Porzingis will be running power forward for us. So we need a point guard. No, we have a point guard. We need a shooting guard, and we need a small forward now. Don't really trust using Blake Griffin because he is pretty old now. So I am going to oh, I thought that would okay. So I'm gonna flip Blake Griffin because right now he is having such a bad year. Like, I know it's injuries and as well, but I can't afford to be paying him this much I can't afford to be paying him $35 million for him to be playing like an 82 overall. So we got Andre Drummond. We're making him a power forward because we don't need another one. And we're going to be trading him back. We're going to be trading him for De'Aaron Fox. No. I think we trade him for Whiteside. And I'm going to get this first round pick here. So what we do is we make Whiteside a power forward. 91 overall. And like, this game is just broken. Like, the game is saying that if you trade Hassan Whiteside, if you make Hassan Whiteside a power forward, he's basically the same as Joel Embiid. Like, that's just not true. Okay, so we're gonna get D'Angelo Russell now, and now D'Angelo Russell will be our shooting guard. So now we need a small forward. So we'll trade Maxi Kleber. We're gonna be trading for I think I see Devontae Graham here. Yeah, I think we're gonna be trading for Devontae Graham. So we're making Devontae Graham a shooting guard because his value is gonna go up. Then we'll flip Devontae Graham. Not really. Oh, I see Mitchell Robinson. I'll take. Yeah. Mitchell Robinson, 86 overall at power forward. And he's really cheap. We do have some big contracts. Oh yeah, we have a lot of big contracts. I was hoping we could go after AD, but we have 4 big contracts right now. So our game plan right now is looking like... They're not starting D'Lo over... So they want to start... I think we'll have Mitchell Robinson come off the bench. Now we need that. And we're going to have Ben Simmons run point guard. So now we need to trade... I'm trading Elfrid Payton and this first round pick and see if we can get a good point guard that we can start. Patrick Beverly. I see Aaron Baines. Oh, I see this first round pick as well. Actually, I think I'll take Aaron Baines and Ty Jerome, just so I can make Aaron Baines power forward, and then I can, he's 82, so then I can trade Aaron Baines, and then I can get a point guard. And that would be, actually no point guard here. Well then, Aaron Baines, he can just stay on the team, I guess. So, we'll make Aaron Baines a center then. So, Aaron Baines and Mitchell Robinson will be coming off the bench. Okay, I'm gonna make Bruno Fernando, wherever Bruno that we have. I'm gonna make him a power forward, and then I'm gonna flip him, and I'm going to make a deal. Try to give me some point guard. I see Jalen Brunson. I think Jalen Brunson could be a good, yeah, Jalen Brunson starting point guard for the Mavericks, so he should be, this is a good lineup. No, we can just run Ben Simmons needs to have the ball in his hands though, so we need to trade Jalen Brunson actually for a small forward. Actually, what if I just make Ben Simmons? Actually, no, keep him as small forward, run him at point guard. We know we need to trade Jalen Brunson for a small forward. Duncan Robinson. I think we'll take Duncan Robinson. Needs much shooting that we can get around Ben Simmons. So our game plan, so our game plan's looking like this. Duncan Robinson here. Oh man, they're not giving him any minutes. The disrespect for Duncan Robinson in this game. Okay, now this. So we have a power forward, small forward, center, and shooting guard. And look. Okay, I think we have a good lineup. Now if we go to coaching, we have a balanced, looks like the best, or actually balanced, looks like a good system for us. Okay. And I'll see you at the end of the season or whenever we stop. So we go 16-22. Luka is your MVP because he's Luka, and in 2K he's basically a god. Jaws Rookie of the Year. Dennis Schroeder wins 6th Man of the Year. Kawhi Leonard Defensive Player of the Year, and Luka Most Improved. Do we get Coach of the Year? And no one on the first team. No one on the second team. But we have Joel Embiid and Ben Simmons making it. Joel Embiid averaged 21 and 10. 21, 10, and 2. And Ben Simmons averaged 28, 8, 2 steals. Well, that's pretty good numbers. Nobody on the defensive team. Joel Embiid makes all defensive second team. Nobody. Yeah, no one on the rookie team. We don't really have any rookie. That's fine. So, first round against Orlando. Let's see what we got. Up 1-0, 2-0, 3-0. Go for the sweep. I want to get. Okay, swept Orlando. Now we're going to use Boston here. 1-0, 1-1, 2-1. Oh, My game. 3-3. 4-3. We're going against Milwaukee in the conference finals. 1-0, 1-1, 2-1, 2-2. Yes. We're in the finals against the Clippers. First year. What do we got? 1-0, 2-0, 3-0. Oh, sweep. Ben Simmons, your Finals MVP. First year. 25, 9, 8, 25, 9, 8 on steal and a block. Pretty good numbers there. As we go into the off season, which is the last season of our rebuild, we are entering the last season. Now, just make sure no stupid rules get approved. Okay, now draft lottery. I don't think we have a pick. We do not have a pick, and yeah, our pick goes to the Nets at 30. And staff signing. We'll sign Randy Martin. Sign Randy Martin, Cuba Gooding. We get both of them, so now we're going to skip past the draft and go directly to team player options because we don't have a draft pick. Team player option, we will accept the option Duncan Robinson. AD is out, is in free agency. And qualifying offers, whatever, we can just give them the qualifying offer. And now we're in free agency, where I don't know if we have any on our own free agents. Let's look at the salary cap table. We have Aaron Baines. Let's just bring back the roster. Aaron Baines. Where's Aaron Baines at? Where's Aaron Baines? He declined our offer. That's not good. So we'll have to get another center. Kenneth Reed, he can shoot the ball, so we'll sign him on this. There has to be a way to like sort. So we signed Kenneth Reed here. So right now we just need to run back the roster. Ben Simmons will start at point guard. D'Lo will be at shooting guard. Who's our small forward? Oh, I thought it was Jaren Jackson for a second. So I think do we have Matisse Thybulle? Small forward? I can't remember. So we have D'Angelo Russell. Oh no, Duncan Robinson is small forward. And we have Porzingis and B, and we have Mitchell Robinson off the bench. Kenneth Reed is gonna be off the bench. Matisse Thybulle. Actually, we might start Matisse Thybulle over Duncan Robinson. Shake Milton will be a shooting guard. We just need a backup point guard. And then we can just hit the player progression. Sheldon is saying, why not? And he agrees. You guys pronounce the rights on everybody else. Now we go to player progression. And in player progression, Ben Simmons is 93, Joel Embiid is 91, Porzingis is all the way to 90, D'Lo's an 88, Mitchell Robinson's almost a 90 overall, Matisse Thybulle is 82, and the rest not that important. Now let's go to training camps. We can just send untapped potential to Matisse Thybulle. We can send perimeter D to D'Lo. And then we can send 3 perimeter shooting to Ben Simmons. And now let's advance to the final season, where I think we will just run it back. I think we're just gonna run the roster back. What are you? No. Okay, so let me just edit this rotation real quick. Okay, so we're just gonna run this lineup back, and I'll see you at the end of season number 2. And so at the end of season number 2, we go 63-19, a little bit better than last year. Luka Doncic, MVP again. You already know why. Tyrese Halliburton, Rookie of the Year. Dennis Schroeder. Actually, I actually made a mock draft with Tyrese Halliburton. You should go check that out. Link will be in the description down below. Dennis Schroeder, 6th Man of the Year again. Kawhi Leonard, Defensive Player of the Year again. Zion Williamson, Most Improved. And we Coach of the Year again. Joel Embiid, this time on the All-NBA first team. Nobody on the second team, but Ben Simmons makes the All-NBA third team again. Ben Simmons and Joel Embiid, both All-Defensive second team. Victor Oladipo actually went back to the Thunder. That's pretty funny. Okay. First round against the Knicks. This should be easy sweep. Come on. It should be, okay, maybe not easy sweep, maybe gentleman sweep. Come on. Good. Okay, now going against the Raptors. Rematch. Rematch 2019. They don't have Kawhi Leonard to save them. 3-2. Oh no. No, they still win in 7. The Toronto Raptors still win in 7. And we get eliminated in the second round. They get eliminated by the Celtics. The Celtics, oh, I guess the Lakers in the finals. And the Celtics win it all. Jason Tatum, your finals MVP. Thank you so much for watching the first 2K rebuild. If you liked it, leave a like in the down below, so I know that I should be making more of these. And till then, till next time.